Right, welcome back, guys. So there we have it. We have our table. Um, yeah, we have our table, and this is what it gives us. So we have email, phone number, first name, last name, and address. I know this doesn't look like a real address, but you can always fill it with the correct thing, just the last one. So notice here we have TR inside the table head, and then the individual item is presented by a T head or TH. Um, so notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TH inside the TR that exists in the T head, and then we have a corresponding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TD inside each of the table rows that exist in the table body. That is the structure you need to remember, right? First of all, start with a table element, and then you put in two elements basically, the T head and T body, right, which represent the table head and table body. Then within the table head, you need just one TR inside the table head, just one TR, and then inside that TR will represent the table row, right? This is the TR you have here, table row. TR means table row inside the head, and then inside the table row, you can now start to define each cell or each column, the title or the heading of each column. So you represent individual cells inside the TR in the T head represented with TH, right? So you can see email, phone, first name, last name, and address. So you can see it's bold, right? By default, it's bold. So you have TH. Then once you're done with that, add as many columns as you want, and then you close off T head, and then come to T body, and then you have a TR. So the point is, each line must be wrapped inside a TR, whether it's in the head or in the body, right? So TR, then you have TD instead of, so in the body you have to talk about TD, in the head you talk about TH. So TH means table head, TD means table data, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And then you can have as many rows as you want. So that's how we create tables in HTML. It will look a bit complex at the beginning, but when you do it a couple of times, you get used to the structure. Okay, so there's something we can also do. So there's something called colspan. So sometimes you want a particular item or a particular row to span multiple columns. For instance, let's say you want this email, this place where you have the email, to span multiple columns. So you can do that by saying colspan, and then you set it to 2, right? And this is what it's going to give you. So you can see the last one. Okay, it's actually the last one, the last row. So you can see it spans this Smith at gmail.com. It spans this column and this column, right? And then what that means is that it has displaced the third column. So this is a good idea if you want your table, if you want a particular cell in your table to span multiple columns. You can always do this. The same thing applies if you want a particular cell to span multiple rows. You could use TR, right? So let's see. Let's try this. So we could use col or row span. Row span, say 3, and then you see. So the first one on the first row, the first TD on the first row, we added a row span of 3. Of course, we don't have up to 3 rows, so that's why it only took 2 rows, right? So let's actually make it 2. So you can see it takes 2 rows, which is this and this,